How to fix Telegram code not received. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Pasnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Telegram code not received error. Now if you're trying to log into your Telegram account and it says that it has sent you a code on your number but you're not receiving the number as all, then it might be that your account is logged in on some other devices, or it might be that it is logged in on your phone browser as well. Now first you want to check on your phone browsers, your device browsers, and then you want to check if it is logged in on any of the devices. Now if it is logged in, then what happens is if you try to log in, then instead of the code being sent to your phone number, it will be sent to your account on by this Telegram. This account, you can see here Telegram service notifications, you'll get it here. You can see the code and such here, various codes that I've gotten, so you'll get it on this by this account. So basically, if there is your account logged in on the device, you want to check in for the code on your account by logging and by opening up the Telegram there. So that's basically how you fix the issue. If not, it might be a server glitch, so in that case you want to make sure that your device has proper connection, and you might want to wait for a couple of hours and then try back again if there is a server issue. So this way you can fix Telegram code not received. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.